Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you are doing well. I hope you must have obtained the books from school. If not so, please do it as soon as possible. Otherwise, you can download the textbook from the Telangana government app. And what about your notes, children? Did you all complete your classwork? Write neatly in your classwork. Otherwise, you will lose your classwork marks. Maintain your classwork neatly and write systematically. Today, we are going to learn about helping verbs. Helping verbs are a particular clause of verbs which are used to support the main verbs in sentences. Helping verbs are also called as auxiliary verbs. They are used to make tenses, passive forms, questions and negatives. Look at the following examples. May I come in? Can I borrow your pen? These are the two ways of seeking permission. In the first sentence, the helping verb may is used for seeking permission in a formal way to enter into the class. In the second sentence, the helping verb can is used to seek permission in an informal way to borrow a pen from others. Just like this, the helping verbs can also be used for granting permission. Yes, you may come in. Yes, you can take my pen. Here the same helping verb used for seeking permission are also used for granting permission. May is also used for expressing the possibility of something as in the following sentences. Sudha may come to India next month. In this sentence, the word may is used neither for seeking nor granting permission but for expressing the possibility of Sudha's visit to India. Now look at the types of auxiliary verb. Be forms am, is, are, was, were. Do forms do, does, did. Have forms have, has, had. Others will, would, can, could, may, might, must, ought to, should. I hope now you people have understood about the helping verbs. Look at the activity, children. If you want to ask your friend's book in an informal way, which word you will take? I told you in the beginning that we use may for in a formal way and can in an informal way. If you want to ask for a glass of water in a formal way, which sentence will you ask? If you want to borrow a pencil from your friend in an informal way. If you want to express a possibility of rain that day. You can use my camera if you need. Grant permission using may. He seems to be a nice person. Express possibility using may. You want to leave the class now? Take permission using may. Raju wants to use your water bottle. Give permission using may. I hope you all got an idea how to seek or grant permission in a formal or informal way and even to express possibility. Thank you.